fine mess you've gotten us into.
What? Hey, it's not my fault. You were supposed to study the holomaps.
I did! Remember when I reminded you about the giant wall and you said, don't worry, Smith, we won't be anywhere near that.
Just get ready to climb.
General, I left a squad to protect the tanks. Are you sure this is the shortest way to the landing zone?
No, I'm not sure, Commander. All I can do is trust my instincts.
Wait a minute. I have a wing vibration up ahead.
Don't stop! We must push on! Forward!
So what's the plan, General?
Just keep us covered, Rex. There's too much laser fire for all of us to make the climb. Ahsoka and I will handle this. Just be ready when that wall comes down. How many droids have you shut down so far?
25.
Ah, you're falling behind. Let's go!
Focus on the droids on the top of the wall!